Yo, yo, yo. Back for another. Look what we have here. Oh, let me get through the pleasantries. It is your man T with Arizona Riders Club out here in Phoenix, Arizona at the car auction, ready to bop something. Ready to pop something. Ready to get something and get out of here, man. But let's take a look at this Mercedes S550. Looking pretty clean so far. Let's jump in. Hey! All right. Don't forget the key, they say. Where's the push to start? I need to find the push to start. But just off initial impression, yeah, man, it's pretty clean. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment, guys. What are you looking for this for the end of the year, man? Anything you have in mind? All right, now let me try to find. What's that? Okay, can't find the key, but it is push to start, so not quite sure. Looks like the key is in here. I just can't find it. All right, I'm gonna have to speak to one of the guys out here, get the key out of here. But let's pop the hood, take a look. Hold on. Oh, where are you? There you are. Not bad, right? Hey, hold up. Uh-oh, got a problem. Looks like we have an oil spill.
What year is this?
This is a 2014.
Old dusty, musty, dirty, dusty. But we might be able to do something with it. Take a look. Let's give you another look around, huh? Not bad, man. Not bad. Try to get these keys and get it started, guys. So it is almost the end of the year. We're gonna try to leave this year with a big bang. It is the beginning of December right now. Man, that thing looks clean. Sorry, I got distracted. And we're gonna try to finish out the year strong. But if you do anything, do it the best. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Please ride with us.